Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to do a watercolor painting, and this is my reference picture that I'm gonna use, and this is the thing that I'm gonna color it with watercolor. But before that, if you love to watch art related videos, painting related videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. is done, but the thing is I wanted to do it with watercolor, but I ended up doing with marker pen because today I'm using a different type of paper. I thought it will work as a watercolor painting paper, but it didn't work, and I always use handmade paper for watercolor painting, but today I tried a different GSM watercolor paper. This paper is much thinner than the handmade paper, and it was a waste, but the thing I wanted to make is not looking like that, and I'm pretty much upset with it. That why I started with this paper. I'm not happy with it. Like, look at this, it just spoiled my drawing, it just ruined my drawing, whatever. So always try to use the perfect paper for the watercolor, because if you don't use the right paper, you're gonna just mess up, and it's really hard to switch on another paper when you are already on the middle in your halfway of your drawing. It's really hard to draw another paper or another drawing and the same drawing. So that's why today I'm pretty much upset. I wanted to make it really good and it ended up like this. I'm sorry for that, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.